Hi, scholars. Welcome back. Miss Gentile here. Day 3, English 1, College Prep Advanced, all quiet on the Western Front. Let's move to the next slide. There it is. Okay, whoops. There it is. Reading schedule. What you are responsible for today is reading Chapter 3, pages 35 to 50. So that's 15 pages. Before we begin, it would be very helpful for us to review a definition of propaganda. Propaganda is information, especially of a biased or misleading nature, used to promote or publicize a particular political cause or point of view. Your classwork assignment for today, which you will complete in Google Classroom, there is an assignment waiting for you, and you will turn in your work there. In a paragraph, in a lucid, well-written paragraph, make sure you're capitalizing and punctuating. Make sure you reread your work if you want to earn full points. So I cannot stress that enough. Some of you are still turning in assignments that could be proofread a little bit better, and I hate to see you lose points over silly mistakes. So please make sure that you are proofreading. But this is the assignment. So take a look at these World War I posters, and you can choose which one you personally think is the most effective. So again, there's no wrong answer. The only wrong answer is not being able to support your choice with valid reasons, with details, with as much evidence as you can squeeze in one paragraph. So again, when you choose one of these posters, just make sure you're clear in your paragraph. You know, I chose the poster from the U.S. Navy recruiting station where, you know, and this poster said, or this poster featured these elements in it. So explain what the poster is, and then go ahead and give your reasons in the sentences that follow as to why you feel that poster is the most effective. And again, you have 8 to choose from, so the choice is yours. And just remember, because this is a YouTube video, you have to pause the screen, pause the video, so that you can have a good look at all the posters when you're doing this assignment. And after you complete that assignment, read Chapter 3, and then you'll have until Tuesday. You have a long time to do this one because of the weekend. Lucky you. But Chapter 3 quiz questions are due by Tuesday morning, first thing in the morning. So 7:30 Tuesday morning, you have to complete the Chapter 3 quiz questions, and this will appear in a Google form quiz in the classroom. And I'm not putting the quiz up probably until mid to late day today. So do your propaganda poster first, read Chapter 3 carefully, take notes if you find that you forget what you're reading, use a post-it note maybe on every page of the book to just, so you don't have to go back and reread it. What I like to do is I'll read a page of a book if I find it challenging or if it's not interesting to me, but I know I have to read it for my grad class or for school. I will read a whole page and then write a couple of sentences on what that page was about. So I don't have to go back searching for answers or searching for the information. What you could do while you're reading is find in the book, you can put little post-it notes in the book where you are finding the answers to these questions. So look at these questions with me. Before you read Chapter 3, it's important to have a good understanding of what you're reading for, what you're looking for. Number 1, why does Paul and his comrades refer to themselves as Stone Age veterans when they compare themselves to the new recruits? Why is this ironic? Please remember there's 2 parts to that question. 2, describe Kaczynski, also known as Kat. What is his special talent? 3, what is Kat's philosophy of war? What, that should say, is Kropp's philosophy of war? And 4, what is Kropp's philosophy concerning power given to insignificant men? And last question on the quiz, who is coming to the front? Why do these men strongly anticipate his arrival? And once again, just to recap what you're responsible for, the propaganda journal assignment, that's a 1-paragraph writing assignment. Read Chapter 3 and then take the Chapter 3 quiz. I have some fun activities planned for us for next week. If you don't have a YouTube channel set up on your school account, it has to be through your school account to work for this project. Just make sure you set it up and you have that YouTube channel ready to go. And other than that, I wish you lots of luck. Keep emailing me, keep messages coming if you have any questions. Keep turning in your work. Everyone's doing a great job. I'm going to finish grading those caricatures by tomorrow, so keep your eyes out for your grades and keep doing your very best work. See you soon.